tū te haki whiro.
We have the under-19 boys W12 Tehu final. Oh,
Ka tū te haki pango.
Lane 1, Te Wharikura o Maiwao. Lane 2, Lindisfarne College. Lane 3, Waiorea. Lane 4, Tuakau College. Lane 5, Rotorua Boys High School. Lane 6, Hastings Boys High School. Lane 7, Shirley Boys. Te Aute College. Pass, Te Wharikura o Kirikiriroa. Tauranga Boys and Fairfield College.
We have a black flag out on the water. Oh, green with the black flag still up. Lane number 4, I think.
I think that would have been Tuakau College.
Who is that?
Nice.
Nice timing.
Oh, straighten up.
Car bites, keep going, keep going.
Got a bumper boat in front of us at Iwi.
Let's get the bite.
Carry on. Finish the race.
Lane 6, Hastings Boys. I think
Akina.
I have the lead right now. Ka pai tamama.
This looks like the first 15 rugby team in front of us at Iwi.
Ka pai. Kirerarate.
I think that's Hastings Boys.
Ka pai. Ara tua ono. Hastings Boys. Te pai rawa.
I think some of these boys pedal for Te Rauoranga o Ngāti Kahungunu. I recognise some of these faces and some of these faces from footy as well. But nah, congratulations Hastings Boys, manu huia.
Ka pai tamama. Replay. Who? Lane 4, 5, and 6 had a really good start.
Yeah, they come out of the blocks all together, I'd say. Nice, boys. Deserve it. Yep, they're excited, they're keen. First place, Hastings Boys Manuhuia. Second place, Rotorua Boys Te Ru. Third place, Te Aute College Pukenui Puke.